Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect your Google Sheets with ActiveCampaign in just 8 simple steps. First, let's open up the Apps section from the left side panel here. You'll see a list of available integrations. Go ahead and look for Google Sheets and select it. Great! Now in the top right corner, you'll want to click on Import Data to get started with bringing in your spreadsheet information. Next, just hit the Connect button to begin the authorization process. You'll be prompted to sign in with Google. Select the account you'd like to use for this integration. Now click Continue to authorize the connection and allow ActiveCampaign to access your Google Sheets. Perfect! You can close this window now that the authorization is complete. And just like that, your Google Sheets integration is fully set up and ready to use. That's all there is to it. Your accounts are now connected, and you can start importing data from your spreadsheets anytime.